Precisely because we are a country of laws and not of men, that the institutions must be larger than the people who run it. That, among other things, is part of the consideration of the president. He did not violate any laws. He has not been charged with any violations. He has not been charged criminally nor admissively. It is simply a choice of the president to take a new direction for the PNP. The president believes that he can be of use in other positions critical to the nation's development. He is being considered for another position because the president still believes in his capacity.
At as of the moment, taas pa rin ang tiwala ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. kay General Torre. Pero sa isang posisyon na si General Torre lang ang mukhang makakagawa. So, yun ang bagay na isa sa mga posisyon na nababagay kay General Torre. Sa tapang po ni General Torre at sa galing niya, di ba? Sa galing niya, sa bilis niyang kumilos, bagay sa kanya yung posisyon na ibibigay ng Pangulo. Let's trust the President. Hindi siya basta-basta magdidesisyon. Maybe unpopular, but ito yung nararapat. Ito yung dapat. Let's just trust the wisdom behind this na ginawa ng Pangulong Marcos Jr.